To get a new Wells Fargo debit card, follow these simple steps. First, determine why you need a new card, such as if your card is lost, stolen, or damaged. If your card is lost or stolen, report it to Wells Fargo immediately to prevent unauthorized transactions. Next, decide how you want to order your new card. You can order a new card online, by phone, or at a Wells Fargo branch. To order online, sign in to your Wells Fargo account at wellsfargo.com and navigate to the account settings or card management section. Look for the option to report your card lost or stolen and request a replacement. To order by phone, call the Wells Fargo customer service number on the back of your card or on the Wells Fargo website. Let the representative know that you need to report your card lost or stolen and request a new one. If you prefer to order in person, visit a Wells Fargo branch and let the banker know that you need a new debit card. They will guide you through the process and help you order a new card. Once you have ordered your new card, Wells Fargo will mail it to you. This typically takes 3 to 5 business days, but may take longer if you live outside the U.S. When you receive your new card, activate it immediately by calling the phone number provided with your card or by using a Wells Fargo ATM. During activation, you will be prompted to create a new PIN if you want to. Make sure to sign the back of your card and store it in a safe place. If you have any automatic payments or transfers set up with your old card, update them with your new card information to avoid any disruptions. By following these steps, you can easily get a new Wells Fargo debit card and continue to manage your finances with minimal interruption. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to prevent unauthorized transactions.